All right, guys. Today we're gonna be. Oh, hold on. Jeez. All right, guys. Today we'll be walking into the Carlot. We got the combination to the lock, so we'll be able to walk inside and see what it looks like. So here we go. Here it is. Over here is the garage. Kind of obvious. This room actually looks way smaller since the walls are out. But you can see we got some wires in the wall right now. Here's the back office area. Here's front office area, bathroom. That's kind of it though. I believe they're going to be putting up drywall on Monday, which would be, I don't know. I don't know the date. Anyway, yeah, this is the inside of the Carlot right now. See, we got the wall fixed. No insulation yet. There's the garage door. Ceiling's open. But yeah, that's kind of it. So we will see if we can get any more footage. Honestly, I don't know if I'll be able to come back in here because they're gonna be working. So this might be the last time I'm in here until the Carlot's done. It's very cold. Yeah, but that's what it looks like right now. It's a lot done, so it'll be done pretty quick.